Yes, it's possible to program a flip key for a 2013-2016 Buick Encore yourself, but it requires some technical know-how and the right tools. Dealership programming can cost $50 to $150 per key, so DIY can save you money. You'll need an OBD2 scanner like the Autel MaxiLink ML59 or a cheaper ELM 327 based device and a compatible blank flip key. Be aware that incorrect programming could cause vehicle malfunctions or even void warranties. Proceed with caution. Make sure you legally own the vehicle and keys. Flip key programming syncs a new or cloned fob with the car's immobilizer system via RFID. The key is a PK3 or PK3 Plus transponder. To program, connect your tool to the OBD2 port under the dashboard. The vehicle's ECU communicates via this port. Software reads and writes key data, often needing VIN cloning. Encryption keys are located in the BCM. A high-level overview of the steps. First, get a compatible blank flip key and programming tool. Second, connect the tool to the OBD2 port. Third, use software to read and write key data. Fourth, test the key. Important precautions. Have at least one working key beforehand and ensure the vehicle's battery is charged over 12 volts. DIY programming is viable but requires technical knowledge and compatible tools.